Given that P equals to the determinant of this matrix and Q equals to the determinant of this matrix, we are asked to find PQ plus 2Q. Okay, how can we evaluate PQ plus 2Q? The first step is that since we know that P equals to 2, 4, negative 9, 1, the meaning of these signs is determinant. So let us evaluate the determinants of this matrix. For this, I'm going to have 2 times 1 minus 4 times negative 9. If you want to learn more on determinants, you can check the link in the description of this class. Okay, there is a link in the description of this video. Check it. You're going to see series of classes I've already done on matrices. Okay, now 2 times 1 is 2 minus 4 times negative 9. That is negative 36. So I'm going to have minus 36. Okay, so 2 plus 36. That is what? 38. Okay, so for the Q also, we are going to do the same. Q is equals to 1, negative 1, 1, negative 1, 3, and negative 2. Okay, take the determinant. I'm going to have 1 times negative 2 minus 3 times negative 1. Okay, 1 times negative 2 is what? Negative 2. And 3 times negative 1 is what? Negative 3. So I'm going to have negative 3. Okay, negative 2 minus minus 3. That is what? Minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3 will give me 1. So the determinant of this is 1. So Q equals to 1 and P equals to 38. So we can easily evaluate the value of PQ plus 2Q. PQ plus 2Q will now be equals to P is 38. So I'm going to have 38 times Q is 1. So I'm going to have times 1 plus 2 multiplied by 1. 38 times 1 is what? 38. 38 plus 2 times 1 is 2. So I'm going to have 38 plus 2 is 40. So the value of PQ plus 2Q is 40. Do you understand? Okay, let's proceed to the next question. A bag contains 8 red balls and some white balls, all of the same size. If the probability of drawing at random a white ball from the bag is half the probability of drawing a red ball, find the numbers of white balls in the bag. Okay, look at that question.
To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section. Okay, see you in the next class.